Don't leave too early when you at Disneyland Paris, otherwise you will miss the spectacular fireworks. Here, we will show you a consolidated version of the 20 minutes long Disney Dream Nighttime Extravaganza, so stay tuned and enjoy. Hello travel buddies! Welcome to Explore with Us, the family travel channel. But first let us show you from where the video was recorded, and from where you get the best view on the fireworks. There is no doubt that the best view on the Disney Dreams fireworks is at the end of Main Street, just in front of the Sleeping Beauty Castle. Let us show you from where this video was exactly recorded. This here is the spot of the record, and we believe this is the best spot you can find for this amazing spectacle. But let us now lay back, relax, and enjoy the magic of the Disney Dreams fireworks.
And now, Disney Delight.
Depuis 30 ans, Disneyland Paris accueille les rêveurs de tous les âges et du monde entier. For 30 years, Disneyland Paris has welcomed dreamers of all ages from all around the world. Il y a tellement de magie et de lumière à l'intérieur de nos rêves. There's something so magical shining from all of our dreams. Alors aujourd'hui, que diriez-vous de rêver plus loin, de sourire plus grand et de rire plus fort? So now, we invite you to dream bigger, smile wider, and laugh louder. Together, let's make the future brighter than ever. Ensemble, rendons l'avenir plus brillant que jamais. La magie ne fait que commencer. The magic, it's just begun.
And if you are the first time here on our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and activate the bell. This way, you will be notified when we upload a new clip with valuable family travel tips, hints, and reviews. We would also love to hear from you if you have been here already at Disneyland in Paris, and what tips could you share with us? And if you haven't been here yet and you have some questions, then drop them here in the comment box and we will answer them. But now let's continue the stunning Disney Dreams Nighttime Extravaganza. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. We would like to suggest you this 2 clips as well. Have a look. Could be interesting for you.